I'm Amy, and today I'm cooking General Tso's chicken. I was trying to find something that would be healthy and easy and also something that kids would like, and this fit in all of those categories. We're going to mix together just a few simple ingredients and then fry the chicken, just a flash fry with the olive tree blend extra virgin olive oil. And then we're gonna put a few more ingredients in it, including the honey ginger balsamic vinegar and a roasted chili extra virgin olive oil. And we're gonna put that in a wok and stir it all together and then serve it over some rice and broccoli. Again, very easy, and it's healthy, and it's something that most every kid likes.